Hi, this is Christina G's Artistry, and we are going to do a metallic color paint pour today. What I'm showing you is the paints from Liquitex Basics. That's bronze, copper, and gold, and I have a primary blue there. And magic, they're mixed. This canvas is a 24 by 12, and what that was is a painting I did before and scraped off and wasn't happy with it. So I'm just starting over. I think I put a little too much blue there, but we're gonna go with it. That was bronze, this is copper, and gold. You always have to flood the outside of the canvas so that it flows. Watch it flow. It's fun to watch the paint move around. So I'm picking a strategy here on how to blow it out. And I kind of just did like a XOXO thing, but you got to think of your negative space and the overall composition. And so the first two sections I really like, but this last section I keep toying with. And I'm also making sure that there's not too much paint on the canvas. So I'm blowing a little bit of the white off there. When it dries, it can get cracked if you leave too much on, if it doesn't dry right. But yeah, I'm still looking at this and not liking the composition, so I want to pull some more of that white over. And I had so much on there that I didn't even have to add any. But I like the way that the composition is starting to look now because you can see sort of like a yin and yang to it. That's when I should have stopped. That last blow, I wasn't really happy with that one. And I scraped some of this off because I felt like that side of the canvas lacked negative space. So I'm just going to add a little white and trim it up. Here I just blend the white with the paint colors so that it looks like it's always meant to be there. And I like the wisps that it brings when you blow on it onto the paint. It kind of like blends it a little bit better. You can't really do that with the hair blow dryer as much because you blow everything everywhere. So that's, yeah. And look, the composition is much better. I'm not entirely happy with that one area that I blew too far down, but the rest is great. Now I'm just fixing up the edges and making sure it's like nice and clean so that when it hangs, when it gets framed, we can see the edges nicely. They have special frames for this. I think they're called like floating frames where the sides of the canvas still show. I've got to torch a little bit just to make sure that the extra air bubbles are gone. The cells on this came out great. And here's what it looked like dry. And the purpose of this is I wanted to show you, it dries a little darker, but here is the metallic. It's got a shimmer. And once this is varnished, it will shine right up and the blue will become more vibrant. And it's great. I'm happy with this one. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks. And please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.